everyone, I'm Julie Snyder with the coffee group Fine Homes International with Keller Williams, and I want to take you on a tour today of a unique listing that we have. It is in Hawks Harbor. The address is 7052 Hawks Harbor Circle in Bradenton. This is an exclusive Bayfront home, and it's privately nestled in a small gated community, only 5 miles to downtown Sarasota. Hawks Harbor is well known for its ideal location and its unique architectural diversity. So if you'd like to take the tour, then join me now and we will share the screen and get started. Okay, so we are going to start with the front of the home, and you are going to feel immediately welcomed by this custom home from the moment you pull into the drive space. The grand staircase and the water feature immerses you in pure elegance. Featuring expansive views of Sarasota Bay, this over 5,000 square foot open floor plan features 4 bedrooms, 5 full bathrooms, all new windows, new exterior paint, and 2 indoor utility rooms. First, we're going to get started with the kitchen. It's a good focal point for the house. It has a spacious open concept, and then take a look at the serene water views that you have. Now you can see that they have granite countertops and solid wood cabinets. And I'll show a couple different views here. Take a look at the tile work on the backsplash of the stove and in the sink. It's stunning detail work. And then if we come around this way, you'll see that there is a breakfast bar. And over here we have the refrigerator, which has 2 sub-zero drawers. Next is the Wolf oven, a gas grill cooktop, and a convection oven. And again, here's another look of the tile backsplash. Now, the first floor of this home has a wonderful 4-car air-conditioned garage. It also has additional storage space. And then you also have a large exercise studio and a safe room. Now, this is probably one of my favorite parts of the house. First is the wine cellar. And then we have a billiard room. Now take a look. This room can serve many purposes, such as a place to watch movies, play pool, or just have an all-around good time in the comfort of your own home. You also have the crown molding in here. You have cathedral ceilings, one of the 5 bathrooms, and then here is the wet bar. On the 3rd level is where you have a large office space. And here's a few different views of it, again with the crown molding and high ceilings. Then we come to the formal living room and formal dining room. And what's not to love about this space? Take a look at the views that you have while sitting by your fireplace enjoying the sunset. You can use these built-in bookcases for all your first edition books that you love to read. And here's a closer view of the bookcases. And then we'll come into the bedrooms. Here's one of the bedrooms and one of the 5 bathrooms. Yes, I did say 5 bathrooms. And here's another one. Now, throughout the home, you will notice there is Brazilian cherry wood and marble flooring. And now we're moving into the master suite, which is your true retreat. Not only does your bedroom have this relaxing sitting room so you can escape at the end of the day, you can gaze at the amber skyline. You also have another fireplace for those cool evenings. As you can see, the suite is very large. It has the cathedral ceilings again and the crown molding. This home also has Hunter Douglas automatic shades. And check out this walk-in closet. This should be every woman's dream with this beautiful built-in shelving. And here's a couple different views for you to enjoy. And here is the master bathroom. It has dual sinks, a vanity, and an ultra relaxing garden tub with your very own steam shower. The other secret to this room is the full kitchen. What more could you ask for in a master suite? Well, one more thing. Take a look at this, your own private outdoor terrace. What's not to love about this? And here's another view of the front of the home. And here's the back, which leads to your private dock and lift, which is suitable for most boats. This home also has 2 expansive terraces and a Jack and Jill terrace. So you have views basically from every angle and every level of this home. A few more features that this gorgeous home includes are having stereo surround sound in all the rooms throughout the home. It has a generator. It also has electronic storm shutters. Also has mahogany solid wood doors, a central vacuum system, and an alarm system. And of course, the best part, the 3-story elevator. And here's another view from one of your terraces. So thank you for taking this tour with me. If you'd like to hear more about this property or any other properties or schedule a showing, please feel free to contact the coffee group. Our office number is 941-404-4737, or you can call me directly at 941-232-9478, and you can also go to our website at brandycoffee.com. And thanks for taking this tour with me today, and have a great day.